I'm about to celebrate my 1 year with YouTube. That comes with a lot of challenges, lessons, a few heartbreaks and tears. I have 5 tools that I want to share with you that made this journey more simple, especially because I'm not tech savvy and I was starting from scratch. I think this is going to help you. Let me show you my favorite tools as a YouTube beginner. Okay, let's start with StreamYard. StreamYard is amazing. It is a live stream platform. Look at the destinations. You can live stream in a Facebook group, public page. You can do on your LinkedIn, YouTube. One of the reasons why I love it is because you can actually record. You see any of these videos right here, they're recorded videos. For example, this video right here, I am showing my screen, but also recording a video. So instead of trying to, for example, someone like me isn't necessarily very good at editing and putting 2 videos together, this is the perfect thing. So let me show you how you actually do something like this. You're gonna go to broadcast, go to create. Here is where you're gonna figure out where you want. You can live stream if that's something that you wanna do with YouTube. I'm gonna go to recording. Now all I have to do is turn on my camera, make sure that my camera and my mic is working. There you go. Let's enter the studio. And now I'm gonna add this to the stream right here. I can also present. Go right here to present. I can go to slides. So as I'm talking, I can switch back and forth with my slides. If I have a guest, I can also do it like that, 50-50. Like this is bomb. Something that is gonna be super interactive instead of just having a boring video. Here's where you record up on the upper right, and you can also present other things. Let's say you have a second camera and I wanna add this to the stream. So now, how cool is this? I have 2 different views of the same thing. Like, that's pretty bomb. Another thing that you can do is a video file. If I want to have like a commercial or I have something specific that I want to say, you can also share your screen. If you want to share your screen or a certain type of Chrome task, if you take a look at it, see I'm pointing and it's going to the shared screen. I hope that you guys absolutely love StreamYard. Let's move on to Canva. A lot of the things that are happening right now, like a AI script and using that as a base to start creating videos. So how is it that you do that? It's actually very simple. You're gonna go here when you're logging in and it's docs. That's where you're going to be able to do that. So once you click on that, it's going to come up something like this. Let's create one all over again. So you're going to click on this plus sign right here and click magic write. So now you can write whatever it is that you need to write in order to create a script, for example. So let's say that I want 5 things and let's see what it comes up with. Well, it says, do your research, create an outline, use visuals, keep it concise, proofread, and edit. This would be a good little starting point for me if I wanted to talk about how to create better content. Definitely generalize. This technology is new and improving. Please check the accuracy. Let's try again. 5 ways to grow your biceps. And okay, weightlifting, resistance bands, isometrics, intensity, and nutrition. Great. But you need to customize it for your audience. I understand that as a new content creator, it may be a little hard to come up with content from scratch. So this is a good guide. I wouldn't copy word per word. I would use this as a guide and it just completely helps you. You want to make sure that you stay authentic in your content. Another way that I use Canva is all of my thumbnails. Look at all these thumbnails that I've been able to create. I have 99 thumbnails right now because I'm insane. And I like to make 3 thumbnails before I actually post my stuff. You kind of see a little bit of the same colors in all of my thumbnails. I want to show you the easiest way to create a thumbnail. So if this was a blank canvas, the very first thing I like to do is pick a background color. Then I like to add a gradient on this side. You just go to elements, and then gradient, and you can find any of the gradients on this side. It just makes it a little bit simpler, makes it look profesh. Once I do that, I start adding all the text that I need. I like to keep it simple for the most part. So if you don't know how to design yet and you don't really know about fonts and none of that, just keep it simple. Block letters that you like. Don't try to get fancy with cursive and colors. Like if you're not there yet and you don't know about it and you're not creative, just stick to black and white. Next, I like to add this effect, and that is a blurry photo. All you have to do is add your photo just like this, add whatever photo you want, right? And then you go to edit image right here where it says adjust and all of that. You go see all, and then you go into blur. This blur will make it blurry. I like to do that because on top, I'm gonna add a photo like this. So it looks like the background is blurry, but just me is out. And how do you do that? Well, you're gonna add the same photo. Let's say this is the photo. You're gonna go to Edit Image, Background Remover, apply that, go to Shadows, Glow, and put a little white background behind it. That's how you make that white outline, and then just line it up with the blurry. I have all of these links in the description so you can go directly to it. I know a lot of them have a free version. Paid versions have a higher level of features. I'm just being very open with you. For me, they're worth it because I am taking my YouTube channel to that next level, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. Let me know in the comments which one you've heard of or are planning to use. Let's get back to the video. One last thing that I wanted to show you that I create on Canva, this end screen, I went into design and I put YouTube end screen and they have templates. Pick one and then create your own. Put a picture of you. There's so many different things that you can do. Let's say that's not my font. I want to make it this font with my color, and then the background, I want to do some sort of gradient again. Cool. There you go. That's an end screen. You can animate these if you want to. Perfect. There you go. That's my end screen. I'm going to download it as a video. That's it. I have that in the end of my video. Canva, you can do everything that you need to as far as graphics. Okay, we're moving. Let's talk about vidIQ. This is your BFF. Let me tell you why. Not only is it going to tell you your stats, it's also going to tell you some daily ideas. You can input what you want ideas about marketing, or if you're in the fitness industry or whatever industry you're in, real estate, it gives you different ideas. For example, the truth about being an entrepreneur. I could use that as a short, and not only is this going to help me for YouTube, but most likely this can help me for my TikTok too. Starting an online empire, is it easy? That could be a whole episode. A few creator tools for my aspiring creators. That's perfect. Let's say I don't like an idea. I'm like, I'm not really in the mood to do that. I can just exit out right here and it's just gonna exit me out. But let's say I do want it and I'm like, ooh, I can't do that right at this moment, but I'm definitely gonna save it. You could press save. So let's say I do dismiss and I'm like, oh shoot, I messed up. I'm gonna go to daily ideas and all of my ideas are here. Personalized ideas, content, like you can literally write whatever you want in here. If you dismiss something and you're like, shoot, I didn't want to, it's gonna be right here. Saved ideas, everything that you saved. This is my favorite thing, the keywords. And keywords are gonna tell you what are you ranking for, but also where is a good opportunity for you to continue growing your channel. Right now, my top searches are Snipfeed, how to sell on Instagram, how to sell products on Instagram, and how to post highlights on stories without posting on your story. This is amazing. 15 hours of watch time. What? I need to make more videos on Snipfeed. The cool thing about keywords is that if you have this plugin right here on your Chrome, when you're on YouTube, you can also take a look at that. So let's say I am on this and I kind of want to see what keywords they have. Like I really want to recreate this video. Right here on the right, paid gives you everything and unlocks everything. If you don't have a paid one and it's free, you still get a lot of the features. Look, all the video tags are right here. It tells you what's going on with the channel. You can even add a competitor here. Let's say that you want to upload or edit a video. Go to your YouTube studio. Let's say I want to edit this video. You can use all of the AI tools. For example, AI description generator, right? This is YouTube. Like this is a plugin that it automatically comes up. So how do you do that? Well, because I already wrote out a little bit about the description, I also wrote out the main keywords. It's gonna automatically have a description generator for me. So let's see, leadership skills. I want leadership development and leadership training. It's gonna write a description right there. I'm gonna generate it. There you go. Are you ready to unlock your inner director and take your career to the next level? In this leadership summit, you'll discover the basics of leadership, how to develop leadership skills, and to train. Duh, I want this. That's amazing. So I'm gonna paste it right here. You can also get alternate AI title recommendations. I actually got it from them, so I'm gonna keep it. I really do love this, but that's just a few of the things that you can do with vidIQ. I wanna show you this AI coach. Look, I'm your personal AI coach. I'll remember what you say and allow you to provide follow-up corrections. For example, write a YouTube script about content creation, growing on TikTok. This is what it came up with. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about TikTok content creation and even turning it into an income stream. Ooh. If you're looking to leverage TikTok to grow your presence and make money, then you've come to the right place. Is it a yes for me? 100%. vidIQ you absolutely need as a plugin in your Chrome, and it's also an app. Free, or you can upgrade and get all of the fun perks. Next, Epidemic Sound. I've only been doing YouTube for a year, but music makes a big deal. What I love about this, you can browse hip hop. It's not corny. You can do instrumental only, clean version, moods. Moods, it's gonna be like something laid back or something relaxing, suspenseful, or sad. I love that. Latin love. Let's see what's going on in here. All you have to do if you love a song, I'm gonna go right here to like, and when I do like it, if I want to just download it, I'll put download, but let's say I am looking through them. If you go here to save and liked sounds, I have all the ones that I've bookmarked. This is not free. You do have to have a monthly active account if you want to use these, but I feel like they're affordable. $9 a month for unlimited downloads, and it covers all of it. As far as licensing, I 100% recommend. Let's talk a little bit about Descript, okay? It's an editing software. It's the simplest thing for me because I'm not tech savvy. This is where I edit all my videos. If you know how to use the fancy editors, don't come for me, okay? This is not for you if you know how to edit. Descript can just highlight things and it automatically edits for me. So let me give you an example. Let's say I don't want to use and. I just want to say I am just about to celebrate 1 year with YouTube. That comes with a lot of challenges. I'm gonna remove and. So I don't have to edit that. I just have to do it on the document. How cool is that? Let's say I wanna put some letters. They're not gonna be fancy, okay? I don't need fancy. Add my fonts. Maybe I don't want them so bright. I'm gonna do 60% opacity. And right here where you see live text, that's where you have exactly what I'm speaking. I just have to do that one time. How cool is that? I don't have to type anything. It does it for me. Here you go. Let's see what it looks like. Yay! This slash means this is another scene. I'm just gonna zoom it in a little bit. There's so many other things. I literally cannot go through everything. You can add clips here. I can move this right here. I can add a little progress bar, make this different size. Like I said, I'm not tech savvy and I really do need all the help possible. This is all you need as far as an editor. I'm gonna be super honest. I love Descript. It's everything. I understand. I have a lot of improvement to do, but it's got the job done for the past year. So Descript, you are my fave. Okay, I know that I said that I only had 5 tools for you, but this was before using Notion for my content creation. I definitely want to show this to you and how I've been able to use this content calendar for myself, specifically for YouTube, because I do need to script it. This is kind of how it looks. Think of Notion like a virtual notebook slash organizer slash task master. I have a kind of like a quick view, but we're going to go down to YouTube. So when I click on that link, it takes me straight to the YouTube, and this is how it looks. These are all my ideas right here. When there's an idea, I just go in and I press the plus sign and create an idea. Maybe I heard of a certain word or expression. Let's say I'm ready to script it. If I'm ready to script it, then I'm gonna move this to the script section. That way I can know, okay, this is what I need to do. Now on recording day, which is usually once a month or so, I will be able to just record it. And then once I'm ready to edit or I'm already editing, I'll be able to move it. This is already posted. All of these are already posted. Then put those on my calendar so I can make sure to post and schedule them. My YouTube template for when I script. So this is actually part of the content plan. If that's something that you want to take a look at, I'll link the link below. The content plan is a plan for aspiring entrepreneurs to get content strategy in place. Social media is not your business, okay? That can be the very tip of the iceberg. That can be the way that you funnel people, but it's not your end all be all. The content plan, setting up your socials, personal branding, getting confident on camera, email marketing, my templates for Notion, and my content calendar is in the content plan. This is what's helped me so far.
with all of these tools that we have in place, what if you want to sell and make money, but you don't quite have a website? That's what the next tool is about. So let's dive into that.
Another thing that I wanted to show you is Snipfeed. I have a whole video on Snipfeed and how to set up whatever it is that you're monetizing. It's so simple. If you have something to sell, but you don't want to set up a whole website yet, you don't have the mental capacity, this is a good alternative. So it is a link in bio site. For example, if you come here, you're going to get a free workbook. Let's say that you have a specific course, take them to the course. You can have your own links, set up payment. Let's say it's coaching or a call, set up your dates. Once you click on that, you confirm it, let them know exactly what they're getting, confirm. And once you confirm that, they'll check out. You can have questions, intake them before they get on a call with you. That way you can be prepared for the call. You can also do downloads, live streams, you can do Q&As, you can do one-on-ones like I just showed you, ebooks, guides, audios, tipping, so many ways that you can monetize even if you don't have a website. One of the major things that I've noticed is a lot of creators feel like they need 1,000 followers to monetize. That's actually incorrect. There is a way that you can make money even if you have a small channel. I mean, look at my channel. I'm already monetized even if I haven't hit that 1,000 mark yet. I hope that this helped. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.